What is your gospel truth to supersizing and growing your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom or expression today is gospel truth. Now, we talked about this one in April when we were focusing on the spiritual area and aspect of our life. Now we're working on confidence, so we're going to take a slightly different tact and approach to what this idiom means and how we apply it to growing and building and supersizing our business. Of course, it's been around since the 1600s when it was referred to, and it meant biblical truths. And then by the 1800s, it was applied to pretty much all truths that were considered to be generally true in nature, or all truths of a general nature that were considered to be the absolute truth. Now, the truth is a little fuzzy these days, given the way media is presenting information, the way politics is presenting information, at least here in the United States, and I'm sure around the world as well. So, what does this mean to us as we're building and growing and supersizing our business? I guess my question for you today is, what are your absolute truths for growing and building and supersizing your business? I got to thinking this morning about a couple of mine, and they pop right off the top of my head because they've been the same for at least the last couple of decades. Number one, do what's right. Do what's right no matter what. Do what's right for you and your business no matter what other people are doing. Just because other people are doing things that are wrong doesn't mean you should too. Number two, continuous improvement. This is not in any order, it's just what popped into my head this morning. Continuous improvement. I, for a long time, have believed that, just like the annual challenge to do one thing every day that improves us, we need to be doing that in our business as well. We need to be having systems and processes for reviewing our systems and processes to make sure that we're on a course toward creating what it is that we want to see in the world. Number three, I would say, is under promise and over deliver. I grew up in corporate America and worked for some companies that over promised and under delivered, and then expected us to scramble and try to figure out how to create the things that were impossible for us to create. And I found it really, really frustrating and dishonest. Number three, do what you say you're going to do. If you say or commit to something, absolutely, positively figure out a way to do it. Number four, make the world a better place. Number five, be me no matter what. Number six, be responsible and accountable for myself, my actions, my business's actions, etc. I've lost count of numbers now. Share your experiences. Make sure that you're mentoring and passing on what you learn to other people. Treat people the way you want to be treated. I don't know how many times I've said this in my lifetime, but literally thousands. And not the way you expect to be treated, because some people expect to be treated better than they think they should treat other people. So I say, want to be treated. How do you really, really want to be treated? Treat people that way, and you'll always be better off than if you didn't. And then finally, just off the top of my head, a gospel truth for me is that there's always a way. There's always a way to figure something out if we focus on solutions. So share in the comments below one gospel truth for you and your business as you're growing it and adding value, hopefully, to the world. And I will be with you tomorrow with another confidence-related idiom for this month. Have an awesome day.